Start by opening the project. Click on the Share button in the top right corner. Now, type in the email address of the person you want to share the project with. After that, click on Send Invite. They will then receive an email invitation to view the project you shared. If you want, you can change the access level of the person you added to Editor, which allows them to edit. If the project is part of a team and a custom role has been created in it, you can also assign that role to the person. Furthermore, you can change the access restriction from restricted to anyone with the link. This means that anyone who has the link can open the project with viewer access. You can also copy the link from the Copy Link option. To remove the person from the project, click on the drop-down menu beside their name. Then select Remove.